Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
Over 1 million geese rest up at this Missouri lake on their migrations every year. It's a great American spectacle, and it's being watched by an American icon. Bald eagles, some on their own annual migration, up to 800 birds. Adults and juveniles looking for an opening. The geese are alert to the danger. At taking off together, they blindside the eagles. The predators can't pick out a single target in this confusing swirl of wings. A juvenile eagle spots an isolated goose, but the goose escapes by diving underwater. He dodges the deadly talons. Round one to the geese. But the adult eagles know that it pays to be patient. As the waterways freeze, the odds change. The geese lose their escape route, and some of the exhausted travelers fall prey to the bitter cold. The sudden extreme freeze-up does the eagles' hunting for them. Their challenge now isn't making the catch, it's keeping it.